Welcome to my channel. My name is Karl Ozaeta. In today's video, I'll show you how to use SUMIFS in Microsoft Excel. Let's dive in. What is SUMIFS? SUMIFS is an Excel function that sums amounts if more than one condition is met. Note, if you're wondering what the difference is between SUMIF without the S and SUMIFS with the S, SUMIF without the S is used if you only have one condition, while SUMIFS with the S is used if you have more than one condition. In front of us is a worksheet containing a table listing toppings, types, and amounts. In this example, we want Excel to calculate the amounts if two conditions are met. Condition 1 must match the topping shown in cell A4, and condition 2 must match the type shown in cell B4. So, how exactly do we use SUMIFS to calculate the amounts? Let's start by clicking on cell C4, as this is the location we want the total amount to display. Then, let's enter an equal sign followed by SUMIFS and the left parentheses. Now, we need to select the amount range, so Excel knows where to get the amounts. Let's select cells C7 to C19 and then add a comma. After the comma, we need to select the topping range, so Excel knows what toppings are available. So let's select cells A7 to A19 and then add a comma. Next, we need to inform Excel which topping we wanted to check for. This is our condition 1. So let's click on cell A4 and then add a comma. After the comma, we need to select the type range so that Excel knows what types are available. So let's select cells B7 to B19 and then add a comma. Next, we need to inform Excel which type we wanted to check for. This is our condition 2, so let's click on cell B4. And finally, let's add a right parentheses and press enter. Now we're ready to test. In cell A4, let's type tomatoes. Then tab over to cell B4 and type Roma, then press enter. The total amount will display 95, which is correct if we highlight the amount for all Roma tomatoes, which is 40 plus 40 plus 15. That sums up to 95. Let's try another. If we change the topping to cheese, then tab over and type Parmesan and press enter, the total changes to 50 as 30 plus 20 sums up to 50. And that's how the function SUMIFS works. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for stopping by, and I will see you in the next video.